Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Now, at least for me, this Krishna consciousness movement is no more theoretical, it is practical. I can solve all problems.
The people don't want to accept any austerity, though. The people won't accept any austerity.
Then you must suffer from the disease. If you have got disease, you must undergo. What is this austerity? Where is the austerity?
If they don't accept the medicine, then they can't be cured.
Then you must suffer. A man diseased and he doesn't want to take medicine, then what is it? He must suffer. What is the cure?
They say we're the ones who are diseased.
Huh?
They say we are the ones who are diseased. They say every one of us, we are diseased, not them.
Yeah. The deaf man thinks all others deaf. That means they are not even human beings, animals. They do not come to reason. So whether we are diseased or you are diseased. Sit down, talk. That also they are not ready. Then, what we can do with the animals?
They say we are old-fashioned. They don't want to bother with this anymore.
But why do you bother with the problems? Why do you bother with the problems of society? You bother, but you cannot make a solution. All over the world, the newspaper is full. Simply throwing.
Prabhupada, can you make them reasonable? If they're unreasonable, is there some way to make them reasonable?
They are reasonable. Man, every human being is reasonable. It is said, man is a rational animal. So when the rationality is not there, that means there is still animal. Well, it is very simple too. I am this body, I am seeking happiness. So why I am seeking happiness? If you simply discuss on this point, then we'll find that a man is reasonable. Why I am seeking after happiness? What is the answer? That's a fact. Everyone is seeking happiness. Why we are seeking happiness? What is the answer?
Because everybody's miserable and they don't like it.
That is an opposite way explanation.
By nature,
I am happy.
Yes, by nature I am happy, and who is happy? This body or the soul? Who wants happiness? I want to protect this body. Why? Because I am within this body. And if I go away from this body, who seeks for the happiness of this body? These common reasons have no sense. Why I am seeking happiness? I am covering this body because the body may not be affected by cold. Then why I am seeking happiness of the body from cold and heat? Because I am within thee. If I go away from within the body, then there is no more seeking after happiness. Either you throw it on the street, or it is in extreme cold or extreme heat. It doesn't matter. Then who is seeking happiness? That they do not know. For whom you are so busy for happiness? That they do not know. just like cats and dogs.
But they think they have no time to chant the holy name. Their philosophy is that in order to be happy, they have to work all day long.
That is your philosophy. You are rascals, but we are not working. Why don't you see our example? We are simply living happily.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,